After watching this tutorial and you make this face moisturizer and you use it, trust me, you're going to be addicted to it. Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be showing you how to make this very beautiful hibiscus facial moisturizer. This hibiscus face moisturizer is very hydrating and very moisturizing, and it is perfect for dry skin. For the oil phase, the first ingredient I'll be using is sweet almond oil. You can also use any other carrier oil. You can use grapeseed oil, you can use jojoba oil, but this is what I am using. Next, I have my emulsifier. I am using e-wax or emulsifying wax. This is used to combine water and oil together because this face moisturizer is going to contain a water phase and an oil phase, so we need something to combine both together. I'll also be adding in shea butter. Shea butter is a moisturizer. It helps to moisturize the skin and keep the skin hydrated. So this is going to work together with the oil. The first step is to combine the oil phase ingredients together. So I have my sweet almond oil here, and I'm going to add the emulsifying wax into the oil, and also I am going to add the shea butter into the oil as well. Now I'm going to set it aside and move over to the water phase. So for the water phase, I am using a combination of distilled water and rose water. You can also use only distilled water or only rose water, but I'm combining both for maximum benefit. I'll also be making use of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin helps to draw in moisture into the skin. It helps keep the skin hydrated and looking soft and supple. Now I'm going to add the vegetable glycerin into the distilled water and then mix to combine both together, and then we'll have our water phase. I'm going to drop the full recipe somewhere at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end and don't skip a thing. Once this is well combined, I'm going to introduce to you our star ingredient, hibiscus petals. Now this is what will give our face moisturizer that beautiful radiant color, and hibiscus also has great benefits for the skin. Hibiscus can help keep your skin hydrated, soft and supple. So I have an empty tea bag here, and I'm going to add some of the dried hibiscus petals into the tea bag. If you don't have a tea bag, don't worry, I'll tell you what you can do instead. So I'll add the hibiscus petals into the tea bag, and we are going to infuse it in our distilled water to get the maximum benefits out. So here it is. I have sealed the tea bag, and now I'm going to drop this tea bag into the rose water and distilled water and glycerin which we mixed together previously. So here are both phases. This is the oil phase and also the water phase, and now we are going to use the double boiling method to heat them up. So here it is. I have dropped both phases in a pot of boiling water. As you can see, as the water is boiling, the e-wax is dissolving in the oil, and then the hibiscus is also infusing in the water. If you don't have a tea bag, add the hibiscus directly into the water and then strain it out once the water turns red. Once everything is well heated and hot, I'm going to take out the tea bag. And now I will immediately transfer my oil phase into my mixing bowl, and immediately I will transfer the water phase also into the mixing bowl. After combining both phases together, I'm going to take my stick blender and use it to blend both phases together. If you're finding this video helpful and informative, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and also subscribe for more. After using the stick blender for a while, I'll also use my spatula to mix a little bit, and then I'll go in with the stick blender again. Now as the cream cools, it's going to thicken up, so don't mind that it looks a little watery right now. So yes, I'll keep alternating between the stick blender and the spatula. After a while, as you can see, the face moisturizer has thickened up quite a bit. And yes, I intentionally made it this runny because I want it to be very light and I want it to absorb really quick into the skin. So if you want a thicker moisturizer, you can increase the emulsifying wax or add cetyl alcohol or stearic acid. So now I'm going in with my cool down ingredients, starting with my vitamin E oil, which is my antioxidants, which will help keep the oils from going rancid. And next, I'll also be adding in my preservative. I am using Optifin Plus for this face moisturizer. You can also use Gemal Plus or any other preservative. And to make my face moisturizer smell nice, I'll be using Rose Essential Oil. And now I'll mix to combine everything to make sure that my preservative goes round and my essential oil goes round as well. Now that everything is carefully combined together, it's time to test the pH of this face moisturizer to be sure it's safe for the skin. To test the pH, I'll be using 1 ml of distilled water. I'll be using this to dilute some of the lotion and then I'll test the pH. So into the distilled water, I'm going to add some of the cream and then I will mix to combine everything together. I have my pH strip here and I'm going to be using this to test the pH of the face moisturizer. So right now I'm going to dip the pH strip into the face moisturizer mixture that I just made. I'm going to leave it for a few seconds and then I'll take it out and check the pH. Now after taking the strip out, I'm comparing it to the chart and as you can see it falls between 4.5 and 5.0 and this is perfect, so there's no need to adjust the pH at all. Now that everything is set and perfect, I'm going to transfer the face moisturizer into my jar. Now I'm using this jar, but you can use a bottle or a pump container. This face moisturizer can be applied on the face both day and night. It is not harsh, it is really light and absorbs really well into the face. This face moisturizer will keep the face looking hydrated, soft and supple and beautiful. This is the full recipe as promised. You can take a screenshot of it so that you can replicate it whenever you want to. If you would like to purchase any of the ingredients used in making this DIY face moisturizer or any other DIY product, please check the link in the description box and purchase your ingredients. If you would also like to learn more about lotion formulation for beginners, if you want to make lotions for yourself or for commercial purposes, please make sure you register and take my lotion formulation course. You would absolutely love it. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button. Let me know that you loved the video. Also comment, ask your questions and I will surely answer them. Also subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on all the amazing content. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload. Bye and see you in my next video.